Good morning, my dear lovely kids. Last class, what we discussed, ma? Last class, which portion we finished? Lesson 7, right? Yes. Today, we are going to learn one interesting poem. Okay, interesting poem. Right. Okay, what is the lesson name or poem name, you know? Mausam ki Masti. Mausam ki Masti. What is the meaning Mausam? Anyone? Anyone know what is the meaning Mausam? You know weather, climate, season. Everyone know about seasons, weather conditions, climate. Any idea about it? Mausam means weather. Okay, season. What are the seasons we have? What are the weather change is there? Now which season, ma? Now which season or what weather condition now? Winter, very cool climate. No, very hot season, right? Very hot. So this is summer season, right? Before that, fully rain. What is that season name? Monsoon. You know monsoon or rainy season. Yes? Okay. In Christmas time, what we feel, what weather condition is there? In Christmas time, what climate? Very cool, right? Christmas time and all. Night we are going church that time. Very cool or hot? Very cool. Correct, ma? Snow is there, snowfall is there. What is that season? Winter season. Correct, winter. Then, after that, in between this summer and this winter season, no, in between the winter and summer, what season will come? Fully around us in our garden and all, fully flowers is there. Flowers is there. What is that season? What is that season name? Any idea? Spring season. Spring season. Correct. In between one autumn season also there. In your lesson, in your this poem, they are telling about how many seasons you know? 4 seasons. Okay, 4 seasons and their specialities of that seasons throughout this lesson. Okay, first stanza they are telling about the summer season. Okay, ma, summer season. Second stanza they are telling about the rainy season or monsoon season. Third, winter season, about winter season. What are the specialities? Okay, what we are feeling, what we are using to survive in that season. That and all we are discussing in this. Then at last we are discussing about spring season. Okay, ma, what is the speciality of spring season? At the last we are discussing. Okay, only 4 stanzas are there. Okay, shall we go through the lesson? Listen carefully. What is the lesson name? What is the lesson name? Mausam ki Masti. Mausam ki Masti. The fun of the weather or weather fun. Okay, the fun of the weather or weather fun. Listen. गर्मी आई बहुत छुट्टियाँ लेकर आई गरम गरम हवा है चलती धूप भी बहुत तेज निकलती घर के अंदर गेलो बाई पसीने वाली गर्मी आई गर्मी आई गर्मी means summer. Okay, summer came. बहुत छुट्टियाँ लेकर आई brought so many holidays. We got the school summer vacation in summer time. Correct. That's why that name summer vacation we are calling. Yes, final exam after we got some leaves, no holidays. That is in the summer season. Correct. Yes. Sorry. गरम गरम हवा है चलती. गरम गरम हवा है चलती. Hot air moving. Okay, in and around us hot air is moving. धूप भी बहुत तेज निकलती. Sunlight, okay, the sunlight, the power of that sunlight also very rise or very fast. घर के अंदर गेलो बाई. Inside the house play brother. पसीने वाली गर्मी आई. Sweat in the summer time, very sweat. We feel very sweating, correct? Yes, that sweating feel is coming in the heat. Okay ma, गर्मी आई, बहुत छुट्टियाँ लेकर आई, गरम गरम हवा है चलती, धूप भी बहुत तेज निकलती, घर के अंदर गेलो बाई, पसीने वाली गर्मी आई. Summer came, brought so many holidays. In and around us hot air is moving. Sunlight also rises very fastly. Inside the house play brother. In the heat we are sweating very much. Yes, understood? Yes. Listen ma, next page number 48. Listen. बारिश आई, चमचम करती बारिश आई, उमड़ घुमड़ कर बादल आते, कोयल गाती मोर नाचते, अपनी नाव बनाओ बाई, बूंदों के संग बारिश आई. बारिश meaning what ma? We already learned. बारिश rain. Correct? Rain came. चमचम करती बारिश आई. The rain sound no चमचम. उमड़ घुमड़ कर बादल आते. Clouds are roaming here and there. कोयल गाती मोर नाचते. Cuckoo singing song and मोर नाचते. Peacocks are dancing. अपनी नाव बनाओ बाई. Build your boat brother. Paper boat we are making now in rainy season and we are playing in the rainy water, that boat. Yes. बूंदों के संग बारिश आई. With raindrops rain came. Okay. बारिश आई, चमचम करती बारिश आई, उमड़ घुमड़ कर बादल आते, कोयल गाती मोर नाचते, अपनी नाव बनाओ बाई, बूंदों के संग बारिश आई. Rain came with chum sound. Rain came. Clouds are roaming here and there. Cuckoos are singing. Peacocks are dancing. You build your paper boat brother. बूंदों के संग बारिश आई. With raindrops rain came. Next, this is about rainy season, monsoon season. Next, winter season. Okay, from the pic itself you can identify which season is that. Yes. Okay. सर्दी आई, कोहरे की चादर ओढ़े आई, कंबल रजाई के क्या कहने, ऊन के कपड़े हम सब पहने, धूप दिखाई नहीं देती बाई, हू करती सर्दी आई. Winter came. Okay, in the winter season you can see the fog is covered everywhere, so we can't see the things or any persons in the distance. We can't see them. Yes, fully fog is covered. कंबल रजाई के क्या कहने, ऊन के कपड़े हम सब पहने. In the winter season what we are mostly wearing ma? Sweaters and all we are using. Correct? Sweaters and blankets. This and all for heat we are wearing like this. Then धूप दिखाई नहीं देती बाई. We can't see the sun also in that time. हू करती सर्दी आई. In the summer season in the winter season, in the pool, we are usually like that one sound we are making. Correct? In that cool climate. That is katti sardi I. By telling winter season came. The next stanza telling about the spring season. Okay, spring season. बसंत आया स्प्रिंग सीजन के रंग बिरंगे फूलों को लाया ब्रॉड कलरफुल फ्लावर्स गुनगुन करके बतियाते तितली भंवरा साथ में गाते. Okay, in this season more flowers are there. Flowers is there means in the more butterflies and all will come. Yes, that butterflies are singing. Okay, सर्दी गर्मी के बीच में आए. In between the winter and summer, the spring is coming. सुंदर बसंत का मौसम आया. In the seasons, very beautiful season is the spring season. Okay, very beautiful weather. That weather condition is in this season, spring season. Okay, this is the lesson. Understood everyone? Yes? Okay, my dear kids. Thank you. Thank you so much.